In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a scatter chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, pie charts, and others are a perfect way to add data beautifully with your content, and you can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved your data in a spreadsheet using Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet program, then you can display that data as a chart using this plugin. Now, to do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on Add New Chart. Here you get a couple of different chart types to choose from. There are some premium chart types as well, but they come with the upgraded version of the plugin. So now let's select the scatter chart. Then click on Next. Now, the first thing you need to do is import your data. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now go to Settings. First, we have the General settings. Here you can give this chart a title, you can change the title position from here, and the title color from here. You can also change the axis title from here. You can change the font family and the size of the text from here. In the Legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can also change the alignment from here, and you can change the font color as well. Now let's check out the tooltip settings. Here you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed. And you can choose to show color codes from here. You can actually also add animations for this chart. Just enable this, and then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. Then you can add the license and creator information from here. Now we have the horizontal axis settings. First, in the general settings, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color from here. Then you can add grid lines from here. And change the color of those grid lines from over here. Then you can also add minor grid lines. And in the View window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. The vertical axis settings are the same as the horizontal axis settings. You can add the axis title, change the position of the title, change the text color, add grid lines, minor grid lines, and set the View window. Now let's check out the line settings. You can set the line width and point size from here. You can also add curves from here. The selection mode determines how many data points a user can select on the chart. You can set the aggregation target from here. Then you can choose the point opacity from here, 0 being fully transparent and one being fully opaque. In the series settings, you can configure each legend. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. You can add a background color from here, or you can choose to have a transparent background. Then, in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. And then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And let's create a new page and add this chart on it. I'm just going to give this page a title. And then I'll paste the shortcode here. Now let's preview this page. And you can see that the chart was added successfully here. This is how you can create a scatter chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.